Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the battery replacement process for your Asus UX582H, you will need a set of tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Then, place it on a clean, flat surface. Begin by removing the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located around the edges of the panel. Be sure to keep track of these screws, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Insert the spudger into the seams and carefully work your way around the edges until the panel pops off. This step is crucial, so take your time to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery clearly. To disconnect the battery, locate the connector attached to the motherboard. Gently pull the connector out, making sure not to tug on the wires. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, you can always opt for our professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop remains safe. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are usually 3 to 4 screws that hold it down. Once these screws are removed, lift the battery out carefully. Before installing the new battery, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop using compressed air. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it with the screw holes and gently place it into position. Secure the battery with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Before reassembling, double-check all connections and ensure there's no dust or debris in the laptop. If you don't have the tools or the time, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of going out. You can also receive a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Once everything is connected, place the back panel back onto the laptop. Press down firmly to ensure the clips engage properly. Replace all screws around the panel to secure it in place. Finally, turn your laptop over, plug it in, and power it on to test the new battery. If it doesn't turn on, double-check your connections. If you encounter any issues or would rather have a professional handle it, our service includes no calls, no travel, bringing convenience right to your door. We strive to ensure your laptop is in perfect working condition without adding stress to your day. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.